Regina Daniels has decided to be telling us what is happening in her marriage. Welcome to my page, my people. Still your lady in the building. Already go, it don't happen. Hi guys, still your lady. I would like you to pay attention. Carry your chair, sit down. Regina Daniel posted on her Instagram page and she told us what Papa Ned said to her. I would like you to hear. I know that you will like to hear, right? Or yeah, look at what what Papa Ned said to Regina. I will read it out. Let's go. She said, the husband, Papa Ned now, Ned Nwoko said, she said, small gist to everyone. So my husband asked me one of the most asked questions he sees about our union. He said, G, would you have actually married me if I was a mechanic? Would you have actually married me if I would have been a mechanic? I laughed. I really didn't know the response I was to give, but my reply was her reply. Pay attention on her reply. Regina replied saying, where would you see me when I fix car? Where would you see me to fix car? She laughed. Dim Odogu. Did you see what Regina replied? You know, this question was like a trickish, a twisted question. Papa Ned asked Regina, Gina, would you have married me if I was a mechanic? Gina said that it was a difficult question and she need to answer it with carefulness. That's why she answered, okay, where would you have seen me when I come to fix my car? Dim Odogu, she laughed. Papa Ned papas. Papa Ned papas. But Papa Ned, come on. Papa Ned Nwoko knows that this is exactly why Regina, a young, beautiful lady, married him. Not a first wife, not second, not third, not fourth, sixth wife. What else she saw before marrying Ned? Now money now. She saw Papa Ned's money. So this is a question that Papa Ned knows. The answer he knows. And he tried to throw it. No, now. Papa Ned, you know this. You know the answer. Okay. That is one of the honey things that they are doing. But Regina brought this and decided to let us know that Papa Ned, they asked her this kind of question, and look at how she they answer.